Welcome to Charmaine Peart TV, practical advice and tips to help you build an abundant business and life. I'm Charmaine Peart, and today we're talking about how to unlock your creative spirit to boost your business. Have you ever been working on a project, everything's been going well, everything's been flowing, you've been making great progress moving forward, but then suddenly you hit a roadblock. Suddenly you feel stuck, frustrated, overwhelmed, confused, and possibly stressed out if you have a deadline looming. Today I want to share with you my 4 top tips of what I do to help me unlock my creative spirit so you can allow yourself to get back into your creativity and overcome your creative roadblocks. Okay, so the first tip is to get out of your office and go into nature. Take a walk around your local park, your local neighborhood, and just really allow yourself to quieten your mind, relax, switch off, and get grounded. The essence of Mother Earth is really going to help you to really just release any stresses and problems and confusion you have. And it's going to allow you to really switch off, raise your happiness levels because you'll be releasing your endorphins, and it's going to allow you to really tap into your creative spirit. It's likely when you come back or while you're out, creative ideas, inspiration will come to you that you'll be able to use to move forward with your project. So that's my first top tip. My second top tip is to look through or buy some of your favorite magazines, physical hard copies, buy them and look through them. And what you'll find is not only a great therapeutic way to relax, unwind, and really connect with what's going on around you, but it will really inspire you, whether it be the headlines, the visual images, the adverts, keywords, phrases, articles, features, all of those things. You'll find something that will stand out, grab your attention. I usually do this twice a month, and I go through my favorite magazines, and I usually flick through them. So it takes me 2 or 3 times to get through an actual magazine. But what I find is there's always new images or adverts or something, keywords or something or an image that will inspire and spark up a creative idea that I'm able to use in my work as well as inspire me in my life. So if you do that, it's a great way, as I said, to relax and unwind, but it's a lovely way to really start boosting your creativity levels. My third top tip is to listen to music. So create a playlist of your favorite songs. If you've already got one, go through it, have a listen, have a little dance party, or put on your favorite album and really allow yourself to focus on the present moment, really elevate your mood. It's going to really raise your vibration. It's going to allow you to have fun and really boost your energy and help you get more focused and energized when you come back to your work. This simple thing is a fantastic and powerful way, as I said, to not only lift your vibration, but really lift your mood, your spirits, your happiness and your energy levels that you're going to be able to use in your work when you come back to it. My fourth top tip is to watch your favorite comedy show, TV show, or DVD. And again, just allow yourself to switch off, have fun, have a laugh. And again, something will spark some sort of creativity when you come back to your work that you're able to take action on and move forward. So I really hope my 4 top tips help you to really unlock your creative spirit, get back into your creativity and move past any roadblocks you have so that you're able to create your next masterpiece. Please let me know in the comments what you're going to do to take action on from what you've learned today. What 1 tip are you going to implement within the next 24 hours? Let me know in the comments. And obviously, I'll cheer you on along the way. All of us will. So if you can do that, please like, comment, and share this video with anybody else you think it will help. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell for instant notifications so you're the first to access every episode as it goes live. Until next time, know that you're a positive light in the universe, so let your light shine and experience the miracles waiting for you. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.